everyone. You might be saying, how come I have 100 subscribers? But I'll tell you how to get 100 subscribers with 3 simple steps. So basically, because I don't know how to get 100 subs, because you might think they're boring. They're just so boring. But I don't know why. But doing boring videos does not make you get 100 subscribers. Here is how I tell you. Basically, just like post every day. Post every day, and just don't do that sub for sub. I might do sub for sub a little, but that was before I hit 100. Now I have almost 300 now. So yeah, that's the first step. Second step, you need good quality. I know I'm recording with the phone, but like good lighting like this. Last step. So you need good thumbnail. But you might say, how do you make thumbnail? You need 2 apps, and if this video hits 10 likes, we will do how to make thumbnail and good thumbnail. Because I'm not saying clickbait. Well, some people do clickbait, but so yeah, I hope you liked this video. I hope if you are a YouTuber that's less than 100 subscribers, I hope this tip helps you get 100 subscribers. And comment to me if it helped you.